read and say. 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock midday are AM times. 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight are PM times. We are at school at 9 AM, but we are at home at 9 PM. It's day at 2 AM, but it's night at 2 PM. Can you tell the difference between these two pictures? 12 noon, 12 midnight. 12 noon is PM. 12 midnight is AM. From 12 noon till 12 midnight we say PM. From 12 midnight till 12 noon we say AM. Group work. Say a time. Your group mates should say what they usually do at that time. At 5 PM, I usually help my mother. Look and say. Minute hand. Hour hand. It's 10:15. It's 10:15. It's 10:30. It's 10:30. It's 10:45. It's 11:15. Look and say. Let's learn another way to tell the time. 7:05. 5 to 7. What is the difference? 7:05. 6:55. 10:30. 10:30. 9:30. 5:15. 5:45. 5:15. 4:45. Remember, past. Minutes gone by after the hour. 2 minutes left to be the hour. Half an hour. 30 minutes. Quarter. 15 minutes.